Welcome, in front of me is REALME P3 Lite, and in this video I'll show you how to fix the low volume issue on this smartphone. First of all, adjust your sound. You can either do this by pressing the side buttons of your phone, or for some advanced settings, go to Settings menu, then go to Sounds and Vibration, and then try checking each of these volume bars and if they are moved to the right side, and check if your sound quality improved. And in case it didn't, then try disabling Do Not Disturb mode on your smartphone. To do that, swipe down the control center and move to the next page and tap the crescent moon icon right here. If it's enabled. Of course, if it's disabled, then you don't have to do anything here. Now, if your sound volume is still low, you can try to clean your speakers. They're located at the bottom edge of your smartphone right here. Unfortunately, the camera doesn't want to focus, but generally, if you want to clean them, I highly recommend using a soft brush. And surely do not use any metallic tools to clean this board, and also try not using things that can break inside of it. Okay, if this didn't help you too, then try to test your microphone in the safe mode, where there will be no third-party applications affecting the way that your speaker behaves. In order to enter the safe mode, you have to press the volume up key and the power button at the same time, swipe to restart, wait until the REALME logo disappears from the screen. Once it reappears on the screen, you have to hold down the volume down button and keep holding it until your phone vibrates. Now let's wait for a couple of seconds. And once your phone vibrates, release the volume down button. Okay, now you'll be notified about entering the safe mode by this indicator in the bottom left corner of the screen. Now try to check your speaker quality in the safe mode, and if it's still low, then press the power button and volume up key at the same time, swipe up to restart, and wait until your device reboots into the normal mode. Okay, right now, after restarting your device into the normal mode, turn off the airplane mode in the control center, reconnect to your network. And now I just figured there might be two ways to fix your sound issue. The first one is will work in case your sound actually improved in the safe mode. In such case, you have to scroll down to System and Update, then go to Reset Phone and select Reset App Preferences, confirm, and then wait for a while, and then check your sound volume once again. Otherwise, check for software update. To do that, you go to Software Update and check if your device has any updates to download and install. And in such case, if you have any updates to install, then of course take your time and install them by tapping Install right here, and then just wait until your phone is restarted. And in case your sound volume is still low after that, well, you can still try to check if your Bluetooth is enabled or disabled. If your Bluetooth is enabled, try disabling it and then check your sound volume once again. But generally, if nothing helped, nothing I mentioned in this video, then at this point you should reach out to REALME customer support service, tell them about your issue, and if you can do that, they'll either guide you through some more troubleshooting steps, or maybe they'll eventually request to send this smartphone to them for repair. Alternatively, you can just head to the nearest repair center and let them take care of your device. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.